Attention, do not play this video over the air. No ponga este video en la radio.
These are the 1 p.m. observations for the local area on Friday, May 2nd. At Wiley Post Airport, skies were cloudy. The temperature was 81 degrees, the dew point 66, and relative humidity of The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northeast Canadian County and Central Oklahoma, West Oklahoma County and Central Oklahoma, Central Oklahoma County and Central Oklahoma, until 2:53 p.m. Central Time. At 1:49 p.m. Central Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 2 miles from Piedmont, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-sized hail and 70-mile-per-hour winds. Source, radar indicator. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines. Expect considerable tree damage. This storm will be near Piedmont around 1:53 p.m. Surrey Hills around 2 p.m. Northwest Oklahoma City around 2:03 p.m. Bethany around 2:10 p.m. Edmond around 2:15 p.m. Downtown Oklahoma City around 2:19 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy shelter.
We have just had a severe thunderstorm warning issued, and it does appear to be heading straight for downtown. This particular severe thunderstorm spawned about an hour ago northeast of the city and has already spun up, from what I can see here, 2 confirmed tornadoes and 1 other that has not yet been confirmed. This is a dangerous situation to be in. Anyone in this thing's path should start moving to some kind of shelter, because with this weather, that thing is a loaded gun.